hammers with aluminum. Struggled to get those portages done. Picked up my permit one summer night. Outfitter told me Kevlar is light. Kevlar is light, Kevlar is light. No more straining with all my might. Hernia won't send me home the second night. Praise DuPont, Kevlar is light. Knees and back were hurting, shoulders were worse. Toting a Grumman might as well be a hearse. Now it's so easy, no longer a fight. Ever since they told me Kevlar is light. Kevlar is light, Kevlar is light. No more straining with all my might. Hernia won't send me home the second night. Praise DuPont, Kevlar is light. Cast iron skillet, an old canvas tent, a big comb and cooler, a bag of cement. Don't try to tell me my way isn't right. I can bring it all, 'cause Kevlar is light. Yeah, Kevlar is light, Kevlar is light. No more straining with all my might. Hernia won't send me home the second night. Praise DuPont, Kevlar is light. Praise DuPont.